Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll give an update on ETH. It's been a while since we discussed ETH on this channel, so stay until the end of the video to know what's happening in the current market. So without further delay, let's get into the chart. So as you guys can see, I'm on ETH's crypto exchange on weekly time frame. Okay, so these are the moving average that I'm using. The red one is 200 and the blue color one is 50 MA. Okay, moving average. Okay, here what I see here is that price has mitigated this level so much of time. Okay, so that's it. I have driven this. We have the first time and the second time, we have the third and the fourth time, and we have some fake outs, and we have some retest, and we have another fake outs, and we have the aggressive breakout to the upside. So I consider this as a retest. After a breakout, I consider this as a retest. So let's get into the chart and analyze deeply and see what's the highest probable of the market. Is it to go down or up? Okay, so let's go to the chart very deeply. Since the market taken the liquidity that was in this high, okay, if you zoom out the chart, you can see it clearly. It has taken the liquidity here very clearly. Okay, let's zoom out the chart, and what I spot here is that we have a trend line, a weekly trend line, which is high probable. So it has been broken, so it's a good indication that the market is gonna drop after the breakout. So the market made a drop after a breakout. You can consider this line here as well. Okay, and the next thing that I see here is, if you go to the line chart, this is a weekly time frame. Okay, we have price mitigations in this level too much times. Here we have the first time, here we have, and the second. Okay, we have the second, you can see it clearly, right? We have the third and the fourth, and the fifth one was a breakout. So what do you consider this? This is a double top. You can see it's a double top on the weekly time frame. So it has made a breakout. Now what the market should do? It should come for a retest and go for another drop. So let's see whether that retest is started here or should it drop further down. Okay, so let's go to the chart. So guys, I dropped to 4-hour time frame. So let's do a regular analysis on this, whether it's going for up or down. Okay, so you can see that we have another trend line that is created in this level, that is here. We have multiple mitigations here. We have here, see, we have first one and the second one, third one and the fourth and the fifth. In the sixth attempt, it has made a breakout and made a retest, and as well it has dropped heavily. So we have another trend line here that's acting as a resistance here. So guys, the drop, okay, if you are trading the patterns, so you should know that this is the maximum target you will be aiming for this after a retest. Okay, so the market has already reached that, almost reached the target. Okay, it has almost reached the target here. And also guys, we can see that here we have a 4 order block here. Okay, we can consider it as a demand zone. You can consider it as a demand zone or order block in your way. Okay, so it has multiple times, it has tested this order block. So if it is real, then we have liquidities here. Okay, liquidities here. So here as well, and we have another trend line liquidity that is resting here. So this red trend line, okay, which is acting as a resistance. If you go to the weekly chart, okay, if you go to the weekly chart, this is acting as a what? A neckline of the double top. So let's drop to the 4-hour time frame. So what I expect from here is, guys, that I expect the market to climb. We have trend line liquidities and this patterns liquidity, and we have another trend line that is rested here. So we have another trend line liquidity here. So the price that the neckline is rested is 2000, almost $2,300. So the market, if the market, okay, goes in my direction, as I mentioned, so there can be rejections. Okay, there should be rejections here. And if the market, after the rejection, where could the market lead? Okay, where could the market lead for the next drop? So if you take a look at the fib level, we can expect a bounce from here, and as well we can expect a bounce from the extreme fib level, which is 1.618 fib level. Okay, so if the market manages to do the retest, as I mentioned, then we can expect the market to drop even for $1,400 per coin. And I'll show you another example. So whenever you are trading patterns, double top, you measure this as the target. So when you are going for a retest, then the target should be here, right? Then it's exactly, it's making more probable for the market to go down. So guys, that's it for the video. So stay tuned for the next crypto update.